Hello friends, our grammar tutorials, this is 86. So we have seen simple present is how to form it, the two forms of simple present. One is with S, the other is without S. The S form is used to third person singular we saw. In all the other places you can use without the S. Then you know how to insert do, and what happens in third person, it becomes does. And negative we saw, contracted form we saw, yes or no question we saw, then WH question we saw, and passive also we saw. Right? Okay. Now comes uses. Most important, most dynamic part of learning an English tense is its use. So the present, simple present is a very commonly used tense, and very often without simple present you cannot live, because you have to express your habits in that. Repeated actions or your habits, they are the only tense with which you can use, with which we can express your habitual actions in the present is, or repeated actions in the present is the simple present. Okay, so let's see some examples, and then you will, so some habitual actions of ours we will describe. Okay, then we will see. He smokes every day. He smokes every day. So that means that's his habit. He gets up in the morning, smokes, afternoon he smokes, before going to bed he smokes. Every day. Right? So you have got some signal words to use in with the simple present, like every day, very often, or often, then seldom, negative, never, see, always, every day, then every week, every month, on Mondays, on Tuesdays. These are signal words. Means sometimes it is understood. Even when he goes to school, you need not say every day, because here he is going to school, he goes to school every day. So that is understood. But it's better when you learn this tense, uses of this tense, to use these signal words, or say adverbs expressing time, or frequency, for example. Often, say on Monday, this time. Understand that way. Alright, let's see. So you can see, suppose you go every summer you go to Munnar. If you are a rich man, you can go there. No, yes. So Neelakurinji, you have heard of that, no? Yes. So then flowering, these people want to see. So he said like that, every summer they go to Munnar. So every summer means it is a habit. It is their habit, a repeated action. So one major or very important use of the simple present is expressing repeated actions. Repeated actions, or what we call habits. Habitual actions. Repeated actions or habitual actions. Understand? So it's your habit. I get up in the morning. That's your habit. I brush my teeth in the morning. That is your habit. I am brushing my teeth means now. That is not a habit. I am brushing now. Tomorrow I may not brush. Or yesterday I did not brush. That's me. But I brush my teeth every morning means that is my habit. I do it every day. As a good boy or a good man, I do it, because I will be doing a lot of harm to others if I don't brush my teeth. Understand? I take bath every day. So that is repeated action. I take bath every day. Some people don't do that. Some people take bath only once in a week. That also you can say. I take bath only once in a week. So that is my repeated action. See, I don't quarrel with others. So that is a negative repeated action. That is habit. Means I am a very peace-loving person. I don't get angry with people. See that? I am not envious of people. So these are all, I don't feel envy. So that is a repeated action or habitual action. Isn't it? Part of your character. Yes. Then I like to look at blue sky. That's my habit. When the sky is blue, I like to look at it. I like to sit outside when the moon is full. So that's a very nice thing. You sit moonlit night. I enjoy the moonlit night. That is my habit. Listen, they go to bed late. That is their habit. They go to bed late. Some people get up late in the morning, not late in the evening, but late in the morning. So that is their habit. Some people get up late in the morning, and then you have got to say that is your habit, everyday habit. That is. Or you can say, I go to sleep by 2 in the morning. That is, always I sleep on the next day, not the same day. So I mean, there are many people like that. No? Their habit is like that. See, and Shylock likes to amass wealth. That's his habit. Shylock always likes to there. And Macbeth thinks of murder. Macbeth, the moment the witches gave him the trigger, started thinking of that. That became his habit. He said, "Come back, I will proceed with my actions or my thoughts. I will implement my thoughts." That's what he said. So like that we have got habits, all the repeated actions are there. So, nations strive, nations do their best to become wealthy. That is the habit of the nation. All nations are like that, isn't it? Yes. So that thus you have got repeated action. Whenever you think of a repeated action or think of a habit, you do that. See, you can see now. See, some students smoke cigarettes. That is there. Even now, cigarette smoking is injurious to health. Some people take alcohol. You know, taking alcohol is injurious to health. But even then they do it. Some people, that's their habit. You cannot help it. Understand? Some people walk 5 miles, 6 miles in the morning. That's morning walk. They take morning walk. See that? He takes morning walk. He is conscious of his health, so he takes morning walk. Say for 2 hours, 3 hours. See, comes back exasperated and tired. He runs to the office because he is late getting up and washing and so on. So he runs. That's his habit. He's running. Understand? That's the way you say. And then you say in the hostel, if you are staying in the hostel, we eat our breakfast or we take our breakfast at 7 in the morning. At 7:30, the kitchen, the dining room will be closed. Refectory will be closed. So we rush for that, and then take our breakfast like that. See, another thing you can see is that very often people some humming tunes. She sings very often. She sings very often. See? Or she sings seldom. She seldom sings. That's also a habit. It's a negative habit, you can say. She seldom sings. She seldom speaks. There are some people who don't want to speak to others because they think that will be disturbing them. So she seldom speaks. Understand that? And then one of the major habits that you find these days is children like to play with the mobile, with their mobile. Some people always you find doing like this. Yes. Whenever I travel by bus, I see that the people who are sitting in the bus, they don't even bother about that person sitting next to him. Because so always doing like this. One frame after another. So as I just now said, they are actually studying the world at a particular point in time. How is the world today? So that's what they are doing. Yeah. And then he hides his evil thoughts by speaking good words. That's his habit. He hides his evil thoughts by speaking good words. That is his habit. Understand? Very often some people go to the seashore to enjoy their vacation. So that's their habit. Going to the seaside is a habit. Some people, they have got this habit. I love to see my friends. That's my habit. I don't like to see my enemies. That's my habit. So that way. Or he likes to see his friends. Well, that is the habit of a person. So, then this way also we can use. Who says that he is absent today? Who says that he is absent today? That means understood that he is present. And that is not his habit to remain absent. Who says? Etc. You can say. Right? Then other habits are there. Some people, they enjoy seeing a waterfall. See, some people And again, I am frightened. Some people are frightened. That is simple present, passive voice. No? By looking at the waterfall, looking at what some people are frightened. That is passive voice we are using. That's all. Then you say you have said you said like that, no? That some men always try to win. They don't want to think of any. They don't want to think of any failure. They want that they should win. So that is their habit. See, my friend never likes to go to hell. That means what? That is his habit not to go to, or that is his desire. Long-lasting desire. Or that is part of his body. So it is part of his desire. Then my enemies always praise me. That is their habit. They want to get something out of me or get a secret out of me. Understand? Another habit these days you find is like mobile phone is emails. See that people use emails these days. That's the repeated use of emails. They don't bother to take a paper or write a letter and then post it, etc. Very seldom. People seldom use the post office these days. See? People seldom go to post office these days. See that way you can see. Yeah? Alright, another habit you can see is money transfer. Done by net, through net. That's a habit. See? People transfer their money through net. That's the habit of people these days. So like that you can say that. And then you can say you have what is called, he writes novels in the morning. Evening he cannot write. Doctors love to take money. That is their habit. Because you should consult, when you consult them, you should give something. And when you give money, they are very happy to receive it. They will not say, hey, I don't want it. In that way I said, I am not saying that the doctors are greedy. They are good people, nice people. They are looking after our health and therefore definitely when you consult, you give something you give, and they are very happy with that. Understand? I said, I never speak ill of my friends. That's my habit. I never speak ill, means bad things. I speak of my friends. That is the thing. Understand? Our mother seldom scolds us. Our mother seldom scolds us. Scolding. Don't never get angry with us and say angry words to us. So this way you have got a number of habits, So all repeated actions, you can say. See, in yourself, you have got how many repeated actions for you? You can watch repeated actions of your father, your mother, your brother, your sister. The family, if you have got 4 of you, then you can say like this, My father gets up in the morning, my mother gets up at 4 in the morning, my elder brother gets up at 11 in the morning, my sister gets up at 6 in the morning, I get up at 5 in the morning, my father goes for a walk, my mother goes to the kitchen for doing work, and my sister sings songs, I work hard on the field. All habits. So you can make, I think, hundreds of sentences by expressing, for expressing repeated actions or habitual actions. So point 1, what is the point? Simple present is used to express repeated actions or habitual actions. Always think of this, then whenever now you can see, you see some situation, see whether it is things that happens every day. See, our bus comes exactly at 7 o'clock in the morning to take us to school, not to the school. Children don't go to the school. Parents go to the school, children go to school. What's the difference? You remember I told you in the article, definite article, use of definite article. If you are thinking about the building, then the school. If you are thinking about the activities in the school, then no, just plain school will do. Understand? So students go to school, parents go to the school. So alright, that's their habit. So every day, even seasons have their habits, no? Isn't it? We can see like that then it will be different thing. Yes, in nature you will find, many habits you will find. So isn't it? Nature has a habit. You have habit. Your friends have habit. You do many actions repeatedly. They do many actions repeatedly. Nature does many actions repeatedly, isn't it? The cycle, the seasonal cycles and so on, that is repeated action. That's what you can see. So around you, if you look around you, you will find there are only repeated actions. Because we are, as we said, there is a very famous Hindi song, that is Ana hai or Jana hai. So that is repeated action, isn't it? Yes, a song begins like this, like that. I don't know the exact words, but this is how it begins. And it's a famous song also for that matter. So that is Ana or Jana hai. That is repeating. The whole thing is repeating. So for any repeated action, what you do, you can use safely this simple present. Now in question papers you will find test frames like this. See, see a test frame like this. Just one I will tell you. He seldom cigarettes. Okay, bracket is a smoke. So how will you complete this test frame? He seldom means it's understood that it's a negative habit. So you can see he seldom smokes. So this is just one example. I will give you an example. We will have an exercise after some time. I hope you understand what is meant by using simple present for expressing habitual actions or repeated actions. Bye. See you again.